Alright, what's going on guys? It is Alex from 𝗙𝗰𝗲 back again with another video, and today we have a little smile on our face because we have the Apple Watch Ultra 2 right in front of us. So this is Apple's latest and newest and greatest and most premium smartwatch. It retails for about $10.99 and I can't wait to check it out. So on this video right up here, the Come Shop With Me unboxing day, we did go pick it up. Another variation in Calgary at Best Buy. And today we have another color. It is the trail loop color in the orange beige variation. So I cannot wait to check it out. Here is the box right over here. And we're just gonna flip it over. Little unboxing, little setup, little first impressions. Now, Apple Watch Ultra's unboxing experience is super beautiful. So as you guys can see right over here, we have the Apple Watch Ultra itself right over there. So we're just gonna set that aside. And then we have the loop or the watch band right over here. So this is the packaging. Whoops, there you go. As you guys can see, it kind of has that like mountainish look to it because it is a watch that's like made for exploring and all of that. So we're just gonna set that aside. And then the thing that slipped out right over here, it was just some instruction, hand flips, manual, as you guys can see right there. Set that aside. So the thing that we're most excited about, the Apple Watch Ultra itself, right over here. We're just gonna flip that aside, just like so. You have these two little green Apple usual pull tabs, and you know the drill. Gonna pull that right there. Beautiful. Other one. Beautiful. That is the Apple Watch Ultra unsealing of the box. Drum rolls please. And there you go. Designed by Apple in California. So on the right side of our packaging, you guys can see that we have this little right over there, focus. Beautiful, designed by Apple in California. And it does have those little coordinates, which is pretty interesting. So obviously, since it is a smartwatch that is made for like exploring the jungle, the mountains, the oceans, it does have kind of like that exploration feel to it with those coordinates, which is really nice to see. And then obviously inside the packaging, we have our charger right over there. We're not gonna open it up because I'd like to see how much charge is in the Apple Watch itself. So on the left side, right over here, here's the Apple Watch. I'm gonna set that right aside. Beautiful. So there is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. What a beautiful watch. Look at that. Nice and shiny. So that is the watch itself. Now we're gonna take the watch band right over here. So as you guys can see, it is the trail loop in the orange beige color. Now I forgot to mention, as you guys can see right over here, carbon neutral, which basically means that Apple is trying to be carbon neutral by 2030, which is why on the box itself, I had seen it somewhere. I think it's on the actual wrapping right over here. You guys can see that little green carbon neutral logo. So Apple is trying to rebrand and become carbon neutral by 2030, hence why carbon neutral is on the watch band right over here. So again, little pull tab. Beautiful. And then this box over here, this little envelope, if you'd like to call it, it does actually open as an envelope. And there you go. You have the watch band right over here. And then it gives you some little instructions about how to install it. So first time I unboxed one of these, I had a little bit of complication with the watch band. So I think today we're gonna be obedient to Apple for once and follow the instructions. So a little ASMR. Beautiful. Here is the watch band. As you guys can see, it feels really nice in the hands. It feels really soft. Now, I wouldn't say this is the watch band that you would be like going out on workouts with. It could probably do the job, but this is more of like a stylish watch band. Really nice design, orange and blue. Let's see what Apple says. To attach the band, slide in until you hear it click. And then number 2, adjust band to fit close to your wrist for optimal performance. Like this. There you go. Do this like that. There you go. So we got it on. And then here it is. Just gotta play around with it. It turns on automatically. So Apple Watch bands, they're always interesting. You gotta play around with it, obviously, and get used to how they attach. But there you go. There is the band, nicely snugged on our wrists. Feels really nice, really tight. Now this is, I believe, the small medium watch loop. Where does it say? It does not say. Does it? No, it doesn't. But I did order the small medium watch loop. So it fits wrists that are this size right over here. And then we got our iPhone 15 Pro right over here. And what does it say? It tells us to bring the Apple Watch close to our iPhone. So we're gonna click Start Pairing, set up for myself, and then get that just like so. And beautiful, our Apple Watch is paired, as you guys can see right over here. Apple Watch is paired. Here is the Apple Watch, and we are going to set this up as a new Apple Watch. Now it is connecting to the different services, and we're gonna let the setup process run. If you would like to see a full setup process, make sure to go check out the video that is right up here. But overall, this has been my unboxing, my little fiddling with the Apple Watch Ultra watch band, try to figure out how to make it work. It looks like a really beautiful watch. I mean, the band looks really nice. The casing, everything, it just feels really premium. And obviously with the premium price point, you would experience and you would expect premium products. And that's exactly what the Apple Watch Ultra is. It is currently 10 p.m. on Monday, January 15th. Tomorrow is Tuesday, January 16th, which means that we're going to be heading over to a hockey game, Oilers versus Maple Leafs. We're going to test out the Apple Watch Ultra in a real life scenario, see if it's worth it, see if it works, and give a full long-term review. So if you would like to see the day in the life video, make sure to go click right up here. And until then, follow our socials, all at @TechRiffItIs, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Threads, Reddit, TikTok. I believe that's it. And smash that like button if you like this video. Anyways, stay tuned on our Instagram because we're going to be talking about the Apple Watch Ultra tomorrow in our day in the life. So catch you guys later. Thanks for stopping by.